Hello, this is Lisa from Faith Dream Crate, and here is my decorating with a scrapbook paper video and a little bit of my Christmas decor in my home. So this is my kitchen, and I have a snowman theme in here, and that's the wreath on the door. And then this is a door stopper that my mom picked up for me, and it is an angel, but it kind of looks like a snow angel, so that is fun. And then I will go over here to the window area, and there are two scrapbook papers on the wall, and then some snowman theme on the counter. I really love these scrapbook papers, especially this one. This scrapbook paper really caught my eye because it reminded me of my family. It was the perfect paper for my family, and there's no place like home, and then another scrapbook paper from that same snowman scrapbook paper that I picked up at Michael's this year. So there are the two papers side by side in the kitchen, and I love this piece of the snowman there. My friend made that for me a few years ago, and it totally tied in to the theme. And there are some perler bead melting beads that my son created. And then if you pop on over to here, we've got some more Christmas decor going on, and this Holly Jolly scrapbook paper as well. I just popped it into a 12 by 12 canvas, took off the canvas and taped it in there in a clear sheet protector so that it looks like it's a photo frame. And then I've got some Christmas decor, snowflake and snowman themed over here on my coffee bar. So thank you so much for watching my Christmas card series, and I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is the last video for 2020, and there is some snowflakes that me and my sons created for our snowman theme in here, and I'll show you those scrapbook papers one more time. So yeah, Merry Christmas, and I will be showing you a little bit more of the decor here as we go along. And here is I'm going to turn off the lights in here as well and show you that. And there is a different fridge at the end of this video. We had a crazy situation with our fridge. It was not working. It was freezing everything when it's not supposed to be frozen. So we got a new fridge, so you'll see that a tiny bit at the end. Definitely look different, but here is how everything looks with the lights down, the lights off, and the starlights. And the candelabra on the counter. And then the stove lights with that canvas print. And then also that it's beginning to look a latte like Christmas. I made that last year in my Craftmas Christmas series last year. So you can definitely check out how I made that if you are interested. Just giving you some close-ups. That is with the stove light up. And then here is my living room decor, and there's only one piece of scrapbook paper out here. It is the Merry Christmas wreath next to the wreath, which I will show you in a second. But here is our Christmas stockings. And then right here, beside the wreath, it says Merry Christmas in the scrapbook paper. And then I also made that picture frame down below with the couch last year on my Christmas card series, so you can definitely check that out if you are interested. I'll leave some links down below. So kind of have a pine cone warmth kind of homey vibe over here. And our mix match stockings, Toy Stories, llamas, sequins, and plaid. Why not? totally matches our family, and it's totally fun. So I figured I would just show you all the decor because this Christmas is a little bit different, and I can invite a lot of people over to see my decorations, and so I'm sharing them here because why not? This year has been so crazy, and I really like how the decorations turned out, so I wanted to share them here with you. And here is the lights turned off in the living room to give you that Christmassy light vibe that we see in our living room when all the lights are off and it's all cozy. Got lights in a few areas. So this is my entryway, and I did a gingerbread theme in the entryway and put some Christmas lights up top and down below in the house. And so we have some Christmas trees. My son made this little snowman. And then these are Dollar Tree houses, and I painted them and added these stickers. And then the cookie ornaments are from Michael's, and I just put that all together. And I made this Dollar Tree wreath, or Dollarama wreath actually, and added those gingerbreads in, and made this with my Silhouette Cameo and some Sunny Studio gingerbread stamps. And it says sprinkled with love. And then I have another Christmas tree here, and my son made the other little green snowman down below. And I also have this tablecloth or cloth that was gingerbread themed down below, and my gingerbread pillows. I just love how this turned out. Little corner. We also have another tree like this down our hallway that has a little pink gingerbread for my daughter, and it's so fun. And definitely a bunch of do-it-yourself projects there, and this is what it looks like with the lights off and just the Christmas lights shining. I feel like I want to keep the lights on our home sign all through the year because it just brings such a cozy vibe to our home, and I love how the lights reflect onto the ornaments from the tree here. Just is so cozy when I'm sitting in the living room. Alrighty, so those are my decorations, my do-it-yourself projects for this year. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and how I used scrapbook paper and how I used different products to create the themes that I was going for this year. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next video in the new year, and I hope you will consider subscribing, give this video a like, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.